Emma and welcome back to my channel. Just now I went to the supermarket with my hubby to buy our dinner. We bought some sushi to eat. Then I saw like there's this whole pack of lo sang. Lo sang is actually a Chinese tradition where they toss the ingredients around on a plate, and it is actually part of the Malaysian and also Singaporean Chinese tradition to toss these ingredients around during the Chinese New Year. It is for like a good luck kind of thing. What am I saying? Wait, let me get the Google. I need to find the Google. What lo sang means. Hold on, okay. Let me put you guys here. Using my tripod. Sengit sudah. Okay. Wait, let me see. Lo sang. Where should I put you guys? Should I put it here? In front of more fun moon. Sorry guys, you're a bit sengit, but you saw my baju. Okay, wait. Let me put here. Ayah. Is this better? Please don't fall. Okay. Lo sang. So actually lo sang is Cantonese. I don't know lah. I call it lo sang lah, but by right it is called as Yee Sang. Yee Sang is actually a salad with 27 ingredients that includes raw fish strips such as salmon mixed with shredded vegetables, sauces, condiments, and other ingredients chosen for the meanings such as riches, success, youth, and vitality. In Mandarin, it is called as Yee Shang. Sorry, my tongue cannot roll. Yee Shang. I need to ask my husband. 老公，那个宜商华语叫什么啊？pronounce 一次。宜生 guys, is Yee Sang. Because of English tongue, we always pronounce the H word, so you just mute the H word, becomes Yee Sang. Hi, my hubby is behind. Alternative names: Lo Sang, Yee Sang, Yee Shang, Yee Shang, Lo Hei, and prosperity toss. So many words. 看到没？ For me, personally, I like to lo sang because it's some kind of like a good luck kind of ritual thingy. But because my hubby doesn't really like to eat them and there's only 2 of us, so mostly the whole lo sang thingy, like 90% will be consumed by me. I cannot buy that whole pack, you know, it's like so big, it's for like a few people, like for 5 to 8 people. So what should I do? I bought my own DIY Yee Sang. Oh, and for the record, yeah, you can get this Yee Sang outside at the restaurant or at like Sushi King or Chinese restaurant, but then it is kind of expensive also. Basically, I don't get to lo sang for this year's Chinese New Year. So before the Chinese New Year ends, I bought my own DIY Yee Sang, and I'm going to show you now. It is actually carrot, white carrot, and also these shredded cucumbers. So these are all shredded vegetables. This is a must-have, and also this one also is a must-have. This is the crackers, but you can actually replace it with muruku or other stuff. But I like these crackers. This is the only thing I look forward during lo sang. I plan to buy like, you know, jellyfish, a whole pack of Japanese shredded jellyfish, and it costs about how much was it again? I think about 13 ringgit or plus. This two is already about 10 ringgit plus, and plus that jellyfish, that Chuka Kurage, is about around, you know, 30 plus already, not including the sauce. So I might as well just buy the whole big pack of lo sang, you know, that 45 ringgit plus. But because it's only me and my hubby, so I decided to shrink down the lo sang by purchasing this and this. What about the jellyfish, you say? Yeah, this. I bought this sushi pack. This is also supposed to be my dinner, but I'm going to take this jellyfish from the sushi and just take it out and just put at the plate. I'll show you later. If you guys like salmon, which I don't really, you can use this salmon piece from the sushi and put it with the lo sang. So for the sauce, commonly they will put like plum honey sauce, which is the kind of sticky to bind the whole ingredients together when you toss the ingredients around. But my hubby disliked that honey thingy, the sticky stuff, although I love it a lot. So because I need to get him to eat it with me, I'm replacing the honey with this. This is roasted sesame salad sauce. Well, basically Losang is a Chinese version of salad, of the Western salad. So I might as well just replace some of the ingredients to my liking. And this cost about 9 ringgit. This I can use it later on if I didn't use all of it. Well, I think I won't use all of it because the ingredients are so little. So probably about a quarter, and the rest I can still keep it. But for the plum honey sauce that will sell at the supermarket, that one is just a normal container and I cannot keep that for long. So, and it's about 7 ringgit. Part of the condiments in the original Yee Sang, which is in red or yellow color, when you bite it, it is kind of like cracker Mamee thingy. So my hubby suggested that we put Mamee. The Mamee as in this Mamee. I will show you. This Mamee. Yeah, because the condiments is actually tasted like this. Probably this would taste even better because this comes with the you know, the fun, the powder, the flavored powder. So we're going to try that too. Why this Mamee look like so young? This is the old version Mamee, is it? I don't know, somehow this look like so young. Or maybe it's his son or something. So after we bought all these ingredients and after we checked out the cashier, then I saw the opposite store, Salad Atelier, is actually selling a mini version of Yee Sang, which only costs 8 ringgit. Yeah, I should have bought that. But anyways, this is an experience. Maybe next year I will do the same, bought from the shops. Or maybe I'll do a DIY, a freshly made Yee Sang from scratch. Let me know if you guys want to see that, and I will try to do that next year, Chinese New Year, if I still remember.